Hello, this is Jeannie Yu with VectorCAST, and in this video, I want to show you how to create a build settings database and use that to create VectorCAST C++ unit testing environment. This feature allows maintenance-free unit test environment building. No more fiddling around and copying options and macros into VectorCAST. A build settings database is created by the VectorCAST VC shell utility, which monitors your build process and creates a database of settings. The source files I'm using for this demonstration is zlib, an open source compression library. I downloaded the master files from GitHub and unpacked it in my working directory. I am using PowerShell, but feel free to use whatever tool is available at your disposal. I'm going to do a make clean first, so we can see all the compile commands later on. Now I'm going to use a make all, which fits my make file. And the command, I'm using mingw32, which comes default with VectorCAST. The build has finished, and we now have a new database file that contains information about how each file in my application was compiled. That file is called vcshell.db, and I can use this file to create a new VectorCAST unit testing environment. Going over to VectorCAST, I'm going to create a new C++ unit testing environment with the environment wizard. Enter a name. In build options for VC shell, you see it takes in a database file. I'm going to select the vcshell.db file that we just created. The command verb is automatically chosen to match the compiler template. The source file is filled in. vcshell.db automatically sets the macros and location of the source files. All the files that makes up my application is displayed. All I need to do is click on it. Now we are building the environment. This environment is now complete. We are ready to test. One of the other benefits of using VC Shell VCDB, as your environment changes, we pull in those latest changes. VC Shell is also defaulted. So when you try to create a new unit test environment, the options are already automatically filled in. So is the source file and macros. And all we need to do is select a new unit under test. I hope this demo helped you visualize how simple and efficient VectorCAST maintenance can be. Thank you for your time.